This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Old. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath new construction home sits on a 1-acre lot offering the space you have been looking for. Step inside to an open and inviting floor plan, ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen boasts modern appliances, sleek countertops, and ample storage. Retreat to the primary suite, featuring an ensuite bath and walk-in closet. The additional bedrooms are generously sized, providing comfort for family or guests. This home is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Don't miss the opportunity to make this exquisite property your own. Schedule a viewing today and experience the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. January 16, 2025 for more.